moderate, vigorous physical activity was the most efficient way to improve fitness, 3 times efficient than walking at a slow pace, and more than 14 times more efficient than reducing sedentary time.
To prevent cardiovascular disease, many significant studies have shown that habitual jogging is associated with lower risk of future cardiovascular events such as heart attack, stroke, and risk of dying from it. If you had experienced any of cardiovascular disease before, jogging is also useful for preventing subsequent cardiovascular disease.
Which can lower blood pressure and improve cholesterol patterns. Over time, even if total minutes are below 150 per week, benefits still show up as you start and build.
Moderate, vigorous physical activity is most efficient at improving fitness study. The study finds moderate, vigorous physical activity is the most efficient at improving fitness. Specifically, exercise is 3 times more efficient than walking alone and more than 14 times more efficient than reducing the time spent sedentary.